student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share, and thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Electrochemistry is very important for physical chemistry. This year they have asked a lot of questions from physical chemistry, coordination chemistry, and other chapter we'll discuss later on. Calculate the quantity of ferrous and ferric ion. What is ferrous ion? Fe2 positive ions are called ferrous ion. Iron is having 2 positive oxidation state. And what is ferric ion? Fe3 positive is known as ferric ion. Oxidation state of iron is +3. Clear? This is Fe3 positive. Now that would be deposited by 1 Faraday. Iron atomic mass is 56, and we know tip of the day, 1 mole of electricity, that is 1 Faraday, produces 1 equivalent of matter. Again I repeat, 1 Faraday produces 1 equivalent of matter. Clear? So what we have to do, we will do like this. 2 Faraday electricity produces 56 gram of iron. So 1 Faraday, because they have given 1 Faraday. Okay, so 1 Faraday, so that is equal to 28 gram of iron from Fe2 positive. Clear to you? 1 Faraday produces how much? 28 gram of iron. So this is equivalent weight of iron. This is equivalent weight of iron. Why I am saying and repeating it, because sometimes you can ask equivalent weight also and find out equivalent weight in this case. Okay, so Fe salt here, it is having 28 gram. Now Fe3 positive plus 3 electron gives you Fe. So reduction at cathode occur. 3 Faraday electricity is required to deposit 1 mole of Fe3 positive to 1 mole of iron. So 3 Faraday electricity produces how much iron? 56 gram of iron. Okay, so we will write on the statement 3 Faraday electricity discharges Fe3 positive to Fe, 56 gram of Fe deposited. So 1 Faraday electricity is required to deposit how much? 56 divided by 3, that is 18.66 gram of iron. So it means 1 Faraday deposit of Fe3 positive deposited 18.66 gram of iron. Clear to you? Now we'll go for the next one. Calculate how much current is necessary to produce hydrogen gas at the rate of 1 cc per second under standard condition. So 11,200 cc. That is the 1 equivalent of hydrogen that is produced by 96500 coulomb, because I told you earlier that 1 equivalent of a substance is produced by 1 Faraday. So this is 1 equivalent of hydrogen produced by 96500 coulomb. So 1 cc will be produced by this divided by 1120, and Q is equal to current into ampere. Put the value, the same amount, 8.61 ampere will be